After covering hosting platforms like Hostinger and Namecheap, I couldn't resist myself searching for a faster and better alternative. And that's when I landed here, Bluehost. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and in today's video we will be moving forward with our web hosting series and covering Bluehost. Before getting to the video, if at any point you want to check it out, then you can do so from the description below. So Bluehost is a well-known hosting provider since 2003, and being in the market for so long, they have experience in optimizing website and ranking on Google. Also, they claim 75% faster speed and 99.98% of uptime. This can be an ideal choice for those looking for fast and reliable hosting. Now let's take a closer look at the first hosting option they provide: shared hosting. Shared hosting is like living in an apartment building. You share the server's resources with other websites, making it a cost-effective option for beginner or small businesses. It offers shared hosting plans with features like unlimited bandwidth, email accounts, and a free domain name for the first year. Shared hosting is a great starting point, but as your website grows, you need better servers to handle that traffic. And that's where dedicated hosting comes in. Dedicated hosting plans offer powerful hardware, high performance, enhanced security features, and scalability options. It's perfect for high traffic websites or those with specific requirements. Dedicated hosting provides ultimate control and performance for your website. But let's not forget about VPS hosting. VPS hosting stands for Virtual Private Server. It's like having your own separate space within a larger building. VPS hosting provides a balance between shared hosting and dedicated hosting. Bluehost VPS hosting plans offer more resources and greater control than shared hosting, but without the cost of a dedicated server. You get dedicated resources, root access, and the flexibility to customize your server configuration. They offer shared hosting for beginners or small businesses, dedicated hosting for those who need complete control, and VPS hosting as a scalable and flexible solution. Moving further, loading time is a major concern for visitors. Isn't it annoying? From this, you must have understood the importance of loading time. Minimum loading time is something which makes visitors revisit your website. Don't believe me? Some of the sites have lost around 37% of visitors just because of having poor loading time. For reference, a good loading time is considered to be somewhat around 3 seconds. And if slowing down of your website was your concern, you don't have to worry, as Bluehost got you covered. You can easily manage cache, which will prevent slowing down of your site. Talking about features, Bluehost has custom URL. It has been observed that sites with custom URL tends to attract more viewers. Plenty of plugins are available on the platform that makes it convenient to use, and the web builder tool has advanced features for users who want to build their website using codes. Along with that, they also offer various security features like email filter, spam filter, and encryption. Creating and managing a website can be tricky. Unlike Namecheap, which only offer live chat support, Bluehost provides additional support through calls and emails. This means that if we run into any issues or problems and we need help with our website, we can contact them through the multiple channels for assistance. Done with the segment. Now let's move further and discuss some shortcomings, which obviously may vary from person to person. So the cheaper shared hosting plan comes with limited features like only a single site and offer limited storage when compared to its competitors. Regarding the cost, the renewal rates at Bluehost are 3 times higher than the starting plan compared to other similar platforms. Coming down to the pricing, there are quite a few options, and you can check all of them out from the description below. Here is the pricing for shared hosting plans, which is quite similar to WordPress hosting plan, but it is more dedicated for using only WordPress. Like, you get some features that is like one-click WordPress installation, backup, and WordPress migration tool, etc. And the pricing is exactly same, except the fact that you can choose the server location in WordPress hosting plan. The main difference between all the plans is storage, number of websites, and some extra features. On the other hand, this is the pricing of dedicated hosting. And here's for the VPS hosting. In conclusion, Bluehost comes out to be a very fast and efficient hosting service provider. Besides the fact that there are few limitations on storage and number of sites, the reliability is still unmatched. If it fulfills your needs and fits in your budget, you should definitely give it a try, and you can do so from the description below. Also, they have 30 days of money back guarantee, so there is no harm in trying. That's it from my side. If you are still looking for more alternatives, you can watch this hosting platform playlist from here, and you can watch my recent video from here. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.